Hello friends, welcome back to your channel Stock Dr. RR. Today we are talking about one of the most important topic, trading psychology. Friends, many of us are actively participating in the market from long time. Some of us are in the market from last 2 to 3 years. Now, question to be asked, is everyone earning good returns on the investment? The answer is big no. Some of us earn big profits and they give back to the market. So, we are going to throw some lights on the obstacles that limit our profits. If you take a small steps each day to work on these obstacles, you will make wonders on your profits. Every time I mention in my training that one can earn handsome profits in stock market by giving 20% on technical analysis and 80% on trading psychology. One more time, 20% on technical analysis and 80% on trading psychology. So let's start discussing about those 80%. So friends, here is the short presentation on trading psychology. First of all, we need to ask ourselves, who are we? Okay, are we scalper, intraday trader, swing trader, medium term investor, or long term investor? Friends, I know many of us take trades for short term trading, and once trade goes against them, they become accidental long term investor. Have we checked our past performance on trades we took? Have we ever checked how much brokerage we paid? If you are a trader, have you ever reviewed your weekly, monthly gains and losses? And if you are an investor, have you ever reviewed your portfolio quarterly, semi annually, and annually? Now, friends, this is the one of the most important point while you do your trading or investing. You really need to ask this question yourself that are you trading like an adrenaline junkie, or are you trading for just get rich quick mentality? Are you trading to get rid of boredom and add fake excitement in your life? If market is on sideways and there is no good movement and good setup in the market, then also you are trading to continue the three. Friends, I know so many people like this. In fact, I was also one of them when I was in my early 20s. Friends, do you have your own analysis and your own setup? If yes, do you stick to it? If no, do you hop from one setup to another frequently? And one of the most important point, if you don't have a setup, are you willing to work towards it? Like learning technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and putting your time to understand both of them. The next important point is social media. Friends, we constantly look for social media platforms like Twitter, WhatsApp, Telegram. YouTube channels, and nowadays Discord to get the tickers. See, there is no issue, you know, getting the ticker from any source. But after taking that ticker, we have mentality to trade immediately without doing any basic analysis. And here is the problem. If you are a trader, ask this question to yourself. Have you ever stopped trading without any reason for few days or few weeks to give relaxation to your mind and you went on the vacation? And have you ever stopped trading for a few days or a few weeks after making big profits or big losses? Friends, we need to check, do we have revenge and recovery mindset? That means, do you have a tendency to take revenge from the ticker or the market when your trade goes into losses? Once you lose good amount of capital because of your wrong trade, you trade more and more with recovery mindset. Last but not least question you need to ask yourself about this buy button. Before clicking a buy button on your trading account, have you thought about what is your trade plan? How much amount you are okay to lose if trade goes against you? How much capital you are willing to block for this trade? And how much time you are okay to wait for this trade to give its result? Friends, believe me, if you are falling into one of the categories which we discussed in previous slides, then we really need to work on our trading psychology. And once you master on it, you will make wonders in the market. So friends, if you think that you need to work on your trading psychology, I would recommend you one of the best seller book. Its name is Disciplined Trader and it's written by Mark Douglas. So friends, with this video, I thought that I will, create a eye opener video for you. I try to keep it short. Okay. I hope you like this video. In case you like this video, definitely you should comment on it, send to your friends and family members, and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get all the future videos notification on your mobile. Thank you.